In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing and make money for free. Now, the best part about this method is it should only take 10 to 20 minutes per day to do. So let's get into it. And for the first part, what we're going to do is we are going to choose a niche and a product. So I'm on ClickBank here. If you don't have ClickBank, you can sign up for free. I'm not going to show you how to do that. It's pretty straightforward. And what you're going to want to do is click over here on Marketplace. And the thing about Pinterest is there's mostly women on Pinterest. So keep that in mind and choose a niche that predominantly women enjoy. So what I'm going to do down here is I'm going to go down to health and fitness, and I'm going to go to diets and weight loss, because weight loss is pretty big on Pinterest. And this product right here is the one I'm going to be showing in the example, the Smoothie diet program. And if you stick around, I will give you a funnel for this. It's a nice little landing page that's been working well for me on Pinterest. And what you can do is import it straight into your account for free with systeme.io. So you'll have that whole funnel, and I'll show you how to change it in this video. And I'm just going to quickly show you the landing page that I will give you in the description of this video. It's pretty nice layout and it has been working quite well. As you can see here, I have a testimonial from the actual product page. They give it to you on the affiliate page, and I just put it into this landing page here explaining a bit about the smoothie diet, the ingredients, what if you don't like the taste of smoothies, what's included in the program. So it's a really nice layout, and I will be removing, this is kind of a copy and paste, so I will be removing the links. I have a copy of this funnel, so all the links are removed, and all you'll have to do is just click it and change the links yourself. You can add a link into this picture as well right here, and I will change, these won't be here, so make sure you add in your link or else the buttons won't be doing anything. And just a little disclaimer down there, you can add your own privacy policy, terms and conditions, all that type of stuff. And I will not be having this picture in here. You can make your own pretty easily on Canva. You can even move the testimonial up to here and have it like that, and then have the button right there. So we're going to get into Pinterest now. Now we're going to get into how to actually set up your profile for success. And quickly, just before I get into that, on ClickBank, if you're not familiar with ClickBank, all you're going to want to do is click promote to get your link to put into the landing page that I have shown you, and you will get that landing page in the description of this video. So quickly, what you're gonna want to do is go to edit your Pinterest profile. You can find that over here by clicking on the settings tab, and as we can see here, it's gonna have the first name and last name that you had on your profile. And what we're going to do is we're going to put keywords here, and I'm going to show you how to get these specific keywords, but these are the ones I came up with. So we have weight loss smoothies and fat burning drinks, and then in our description here we have lose 10 pounds in a week with weight loss smoothies, discover how fat burning drinks can burn belly fat fast, click our website to start the 21-day smoothie diet. So it's quite nice there, good call to action as well if people are viewing from the profile. And just on the username, you're just going to want to have some keywords, right? So something to do with weight loss smoothie. People aren't looking at your username on Pinterest, they're more interested in the pins and how they can transform their lives with your pins. And the profile picture doesn't really matter, but I'm going to show you a free software and website where you can create your profile picture. So if we go over to our profile here, we will see how it looks, and it looks quite nice. You could probably fit in another keyword in there, just separate it here with this. And what that does is once people are searching these key terms on Pinterest, your profile will appear. So we're going to get into some keyword research now. So as you can see here, we're after searching for weight loss smoothies on Pinterest, and as you can see, some nice pins are popping up here. For example, this one is converting pretty well. It's good good kind of color scheme, good wording, amazing banana drink for extreme and rapid weight loss recipe. And as we see here, we can click on this profile and 25.4k monthly views. That is not bad. We are going to be doing standard pins because I hate idea pins. Idea pins are just there for views. You aren't going to be getting much conversions with idea pins, and a lot of Pinterest users actually aren't happy with idea pins. They want standard pins, and they're going to convert a lot better with the methods I am going to show you. So once you're actually looking up back here, if we go to the weight loss smoothies keyword, you can see here all these different keywords are popping up, and all you're going to want to do is kind of search each key term. As you can see here, weight loss drinks, lose belly, weight loss drinks to lose belly before bed, and you're just going to want to kind of go through the terms and see which ones work well for you. Now there is going to be a lot of them, so you're going to have to test different ones. Now we're going to get into how you can actually go about creating these pins for your profile. So how are we actually going to go about creating these pins for Pinterest? Now what we're going to use is a website called Canva. It is free to use. There is a pro version, but the free version will work just fine. And I just quickly created a couple of pins here just to show you how easy it is. And on Pinterest, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to be uploading consistently. So what I recommend, just because the pins are so easy to kind of make and the research isn't that hard to do, what you're going to want to be doing is whatever you can do consistently every day. So if you can only do 3 pins per day, that's fine. If you can do 5, that is very good. But I'd try aim between them number of pins. And what you can do is you can even schedule them so that if that day you're doing something and you don't have time, you can schedule it the night before. And what you can do here is search by photos, and you can find a lot of smoothies. As you can see here, you just drag and drop it, and these are the pins right here. So what you're going to want to do is use keywords in your pins, kind of look at your competition like we were doing over here, and try recreate some of these, you know, put your own spin on them and see how they perform while making your own as well. And once you go to save it as a standard pin, once you're in Canva, you can search Pinterest pin and you can bring up these size requirements, and there's even a lot of templates you can use. But once you are saving it, make sure to always save with your keywords. You don't know how important this is, because Pinterest actually help you rank when you have keywords in your pin. So don't save it as like untitled 1, untitled 2. Make sure you have your keywords in there, like weight loss smoothies, fat burning smoothies, weight loss drink, all that type of stuff, and then save the pin. Now this is how we're going to set up our pins for success. We're going to use more keywords. Pinterest is all about keywords. So here we have our title, burn belly fat fast with weight loss smoothies, and this description right here, learn how Amanda used weight loss smoothies to burn belly fat fast. She used weight loss drinks to lose 10 pounds in a week. Visit this pin to see how she used fat burning drinks to lose weight at home. You can even put that up at the top of the pin instead, so it's kind of like engaging, and it's kind of making people want to click more by saying visit this pin. And all you're going to want to do is put the link to the funnel I gave you or your own landing page in here. You don't want a direct link on Pinterest. That's why I'm giving you the landing page. It's completely free, easy to set up. You just need to put in your links and then copy the link to the funnel into here, because Pinterest don't like direct linking. And if you direct link straight to the product page, if you grab your link from here and directly put it straight into Pinterest, you will get banned. And the other thing about Canva is you can search logos and you can create a little logo on there, but logos aren't really important on Pinterest. As you've seen, that other profile I showed you, they just had a thing like this. It just had a letter, and they were getting 25,000 views to standard pins, which is a lot better than idea pins. And finally, when you have your pin like uploaded to Pinterest, sorry, you're gonna want to add it to a board. Of course, you can't upload without adding it to a board. So what you're gonna want to do is add it to the most relevant board. For example, weight loss smoothies. And what you're gonna want to do is edit the board and add in, like I showed you in the description of the pin, sentences with the keywords. So discover how to lose belly fat with the smoothie diet. Learn how to burn belly fat with weight loss drinks. Learn how to use fat burning drinks to lose 10 pounds in a week. You know, them type of keywords. And once you have your board set up, if you set it up from this option back here, I will show you. If you click create a board and you enter the name, what will pop up is pins relating to that board. And what you're going to want to do is save these pins into your board. So you're going to want to save, when you start your board, at least 5 competitor pins that pop up. And if they don't pop up for you from Pinterest, what you're going to want to do is search weight loss smoothies and pick the first 5 that appear that are relevant to your board. And what Pinterest is going to do then is they're going to send traffic your way, because they think that your pin should be with these top performing pins. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.